What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing this Ninja coffee bar. I am so excited to be updating our coffee system and to give you guys a review on how we love it. We've only had it for a short period of time, so let's jump into this video. Inside of the box, it comes with this quick start guide so you can jump right in, this Ninja Coffee Bar 20 Irresistible Coffee House Style Recipes, and a how-to instructional guide for when it's time to clean.
It's so good to sing you learn to the mystic You got this thing though for a minute.
Yeah, we've had it for 7 years.
I'm gonna need my coffee in the morning, so we're gonna follow directions to make sure it's ready to go for first thing in the morning. So I believe it's done. It's got a drip stop, so we'll slide it over to make sure it's gonna stop dripping. So we're gonna come back and do this again. It says it do it twice, and then it's ready to go. So we're gonna do this all over again. We're gonna fast forward.
We bougie down, huh?
That's cool.
What does it like?
Man, that's good. Okay, what we have in the display controller is a delay brew option. Use the clock settings, a power button, a dial switch indicator to show you what type of cup or container you would like to use to fill up your coffee, a classic or rich button. My personal favorite was over the ice brew. And then of course some of the specialty options that you have using the manual that came with the book to show you the different recipes. A self-cleaning option, which would be T's personal favorite. She doesn't have to clean it. And then also just a stay warm preheating selection to keep the pot hot or cold after or before delay.
On the right hand side of the bar, you have the cantina that detaches so that you can fill it up for whatever it is that you're making. On the left hand side, you have an attachment, which is the measuring spoon, and then you also have the milk frother. Let's make some coffee.
This Ninja Coffee Bar 20 Irresistible Coffee House Style Recipes. At some point I would try most of these, but cinnamon graham coffee, this one, pumpkin spice latte, iced vanilla latte, coffee, cookies, and cream frappe. And it looks like off-brand Oreos was used in the making of this, but that's okay, we can get real Oreos. I wonder if it can really make it like that. Because I would imagine they had somebody like you take the picture. I like, right off the top of my head, is I like you can do a single serve or make a full pot of coffee, or just use a travel mug, because a lot of times either tea and I are working in different schedules, and it's easy for us to not make a full pot of coffee. It does iced coffee or iced brew. I'm looking forward to that in the summer months. Other thing is this detachable cantina to fill up with water. It's pretty simple and easy. You don't have to lug around hot coffee around, because I've spilled coffee, tripping over Lexi when she's running around in the morning. So there's just the different varieties of what you can do as far as specialty coffee. Any different blends. The book, the coffee maker actually comes with a book of recipes, and it's got a wick here to add milk or add any other special topping that you would like to add. So I think that's really cool. It gives you an option if you have some time to play around and mess around with some different ideas, which I think we will, because there's some pretty good recipes in there. It's a great purchase, especially at the price that we got it at for a Black Friday sale. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also comment below which recipe you would like us to do a video on.
Here's the menu for the recipes that came with the coffee bar. Comment below and let us know what you want to see us make. Thank you guys so much for watching. We look forward to hearing from you, and we'll see you guys in the next one.